Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix game linked to different account on Ubisoft Connect, especially for Rainbow Six Siege. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, I would like for you to exit out of Steam and Ubisoft Connect, or Epic Games or Ubisoft Connect. Okay, just go ahead over to Task Manager, look for Steam. If it's running, right click on it and end task. Ubisoft as well. Right click and end task. Okay, I'm going to show you right click and task. Now, once that's all gone, okay, what you got to do is just go ahead over to your Steam's directory. Okay, usually it is located under this PC, local disk C, program files x86. Now got to find Steam, double click. Now double click on Steam apps. Now under common, you should be able to see Rainbow Six Siege. Okay. So open up that folder and find the game's exe. Let's say, for example, this is Rainbow Six Siege exe. Just right click on it. Now click on Properties, Compatibility right here. Run this program as administrator. Hit on Apply. Hit on OK. And once that's done, reopen your launcher. It can be Steam or Epic Games. Reopen it and just launch the game from here. Okay, and that is it. That is how you fix game linked to different account on Ubisoft Connect. Rainbow Six Siege. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.